Imagine being able to unlock the flow of wealth into your life with just a few intentional practices. Creating financial abundance isn't about chasing money. It's about aligning your thoughts, energy, and actions to attract it naturally. In this video, we'll explore practical and revolutionary steps that can make a real difference in your journey to financial freedom. The first step toward financial success is accepting an abundance mindset. Many people unknowingly block wealth by focusing on scarcity and fear of lack of money. What they don't consider is that there's unspoken cravings or unexpressed will that stops and filters them. Shifting this perspective is crucial. Start by paying attention to the language you use about money. Negative statements like, "I can't afford that," or "money doesn't come easily," reinforce a scarcity mindset. Replace them with affirmations like, "I have all the resources I need," or "money flows to me effortlessly." Visualization can also help. Spend a few minutes each day picturing yourself living the life you desire. Imagine financial security, freedom, and the joy it brings. The more vividly you can see it, the more likely your subconscious will align with this reality. Avoid comparison. It's easy to feel discouraged when you see others achieving financial success. Everyone's journey is unique. Focus on your own growth and celebrate your progress, no matter how small it seems. Gratitude is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to attract financial abundance. When you focus on what you already have, you create space for more blessings to enter your life. Begin a daily gratitude practice specifically for money. Write down everything you appreciate about your current financial situation, even if it's as simple as being able to pay for a meal or having a roof over your head. Gratitude also helps shift your energy from lack to abundance. This positive energy naturally draws opportunities, resources, and wealth. It's a ripple effect that starts with appreciating the present moment. Another tip is to express gratitude for the wealth you desire as if it's already yours. For example, say, "I am so thankful for the financial freedom I've achieved," even if you're still on the journey. This affirmation sets a powerful intention for your future. Visualization isn't just a feel-good exercise, it's a proven technique that helps turn dreams into reality. By creating a mental image of financial success, you train your mind to look for opportunities to make it happen. Dedicate a few minutes daily to this practice. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and picture yourself achieving your financial goals. Be specific. What does success look like for you? Perhaps it's being debt-free, owning a home, or starting a business. Include emotions in your visualization. Feel the joy, pride, and relief that comes with reaching your goals. This emotional connection makes your vision more tangible and motivates you to take action. To reinforce this practice, create a vision board. Include images, quotes, and symbols that represent your financial aspirations. Place it where you'll see it daily to keep your goals top of mind. Physical and emotional clutter can block the flow of abundance. Clearing these obstacles creates space for new opportunities and wealth to enter your life. Start with your physical environment. Tidy up your workspace, organize your finances, and eliminate anything that no longer serves you. A clean and orderly space reflects clarity and readiness to receive prosperity. On an emotional level, let go of limiting beliefs about money. These could include thoughts like, "I'm not good with money," or "I'll never be rich." Challenge these beliefs by replacing them with empowering statements like, "I am capable of managing wealth, and abundance is my birthright." Decluttering also applies to relationships. Surround yourself with people who inspire and support your financial growth. Distance yourself from those who perpetuate negative or limiting views about wealth. Positive affirmations are a powerful way to reprogram your mind for wealth. They help replace negative thought patterns with beliefs that align with financial success. Craft affirmations that resonate with your goals. For example, money flows to me easily and effortlessly. I am worthy of financial abundance. Every day I attract new opportunities for wealth. Repeat these affirmations daily, ideally in the morning or before bed. Speak them with confidence and conviction as if they're already true. To enhance their effectiveness, write them down and place them where you'll see them often, such as on your bathroom mirror or in your wallet. The constant reinforcement keeps your mindset aligned with abundance. While mindset and energy are essential, action is equally important. Attracting wealth requires actively seeking opportunities and pursuing them with determination. Start by identifying your strengths and skills. How can you use them to create value or solve problems? Wealth often comes from providing something valuable to others. Next, set clear, actionable goals. Break them down into smaller steps and tackle them consistently. Even small progress adds up over time. Stay open to new possibilities. Sometimes opportunities come in unexpected forms. Trust your intuition and be willing to step outside your comfort zone when necessary. Mindset is the foundation, but action is the vehicle that brings financial abundance into reality. Attracting wealth isn't just about thinking positively, it's about coupling those thoughts with purposeful action. To begin, focus on identifying your strengths and unique abilities. Ask yourself how these skills can solve problems or provide value to others. Often wealth flows from finding ways to help others meet their needs or desires. For example, a talent for organization could translate into offering consulting services, while creative skills might lead to starting a small business or freelancing. Next, create a list of achievable financial goals. Divide these into short-term, medium-term, and long-term objectives. This clarity allows you to see exactly where your efforts should be directed. Break these goals into smaller steps and prioritize consistency over speed. Even small, steady progress builds momentum and results over time. Take calculated risks. While comfort zones feel safe, they can limit your potential. Be open to exploring opportunities that challenge you, whether it's a new job, investment, or skill. Wealth often comes from seizing the right opportunities at the right time. Stay proactive. Keep learning about financial management and opportunities for growth. Whether it's attending a workshop, networking, or reading books on wealth creation, every bit of knowledge equips you to make informed decisions that align with your financial aspirations. Energy plays a crucial role in attracting abundance. The vibrations you emit through your thoughts, emotions, and actions directly influence the opportunities and resources that come your way. Start by cultivating a positive environment. Surround yourself with uplifting influences, whether it's inspiring books, motivational content, or supportive individuals who encourage your growth. A positive atmosphere nurtures your mindset and helps you focus on abundance rather than limitations. Practice mindfulness to maintain a balanced energy state. Daily meditation or deep breathing exercises can help clear mental clutter, reduce stress, and improve focus. And when your mind is calm, you're better equipped to identify and act on wealth-generating opportunities. Smile and express gratitude regularly. Simple acts like greeting people warmly or showing appreciation for their help can create a ripple effect of positivity in your life. These actions improve relationships, which often lead to new opportunities and support in achieving financial goals. Engage in activities that bring joy and fulfillment. Whether it's a hobby, spending time with loved ones, or volunteering, doing things that make you happy raises your vibration and attracts abundance naturally. Financial setbacks can be disheartening, but they also offer invaluable lessons that pave the way for greater success. The key is to approach them with a mindset of learning and resilience. When faced with a financial challenge, take time to analyze the situation objectively. What went wrong? Were there any warning signs or patterns you overlooked? Identifying the root causes helps you avoid repeating the same mistakes and equips you with strategies for future success. Reframe setbacks as opportunities to grow. For example, a failed investment might teach you the importance of thorough research, while a budgeting mistake could highlight areas where you can improve financial discipline. Each experience adds to your wealth-building toolkit. Seek advice from trusted mentors or financial experts during tough times. A fresh perspective often reveals solutions you might not have considered. It also reminds you that setbacks are temporary and can be overcome with the right support. Most importantly, don't let setbacks define your self-worth or derail your goals. View them as stepping stones on your journey to abundance. By maintaining a growth-oriented mindset, you'll find that every challenge brings you closer to financial success. Wealth creation isn't just about individual effort. It often involves collaboration and support from others. Building strong, positive relationships can open doors to financial opportunities and resources. Start by networking intentionally. Connect with people who share your values and aspirations, whether they're colleagues, mentors, or industry experts. Engage in meaningful conversations and be genuinely interested in learning from their experiences. These connections can lead to collaborations, partnerships, or insights that boost your financial journey. Foster generosity in your relationships. When you give freely, whether it's advice, support, or resources, you create goodwill that often comes back to you in unexpected ways. Wealth isn't just about money, it's also about the value you create in others' lives. Prioritize clear and honest communication. Misunderstandings can strain relationships and hinder progress. Be upfront about your goals and expectations, especially in professional partnerships. Transparency builds trust, which is essential for successful collaborations. Show gratitude for the people who contribute to your financial success. A simple thank you note or acknowledgement can strengthen relationships and encourage continued support. When you nurture connections with care and sincerity, you'll find that wealth flows more effortlessly into your life. The journey to financial abundance requires patience and consistent effort. While it's natural to desire quick results, true wealth often takes time to build. Focus on progress rather than perfection. Celebrate small wins along the way, whether it's saving a certain amount, landing a new client, or mastering a skill. These milestones not only boost your confidence, but also remind you that every step counts. Maintain a routine that supports your financial goals. Set aside time each day to review your progress, plan your next steps, or learn something new about wealth creation. Consistency compounds over time, turning small actions into significant achievements. Practice resilience in the face of challenges. Financial growth isn't always linear, and setbacks are part of the process. By staying committed to your goals and adapting your strategies when needed, you'll overcome obstacles and emerge stronger. Trust the process. While results might not be immediate, they're a reflection of the seeds you're planting now. By showing up every day with intention and effort, you're creating the foundation for lasting financial success. Attracting financial abundance is a journey of aligning your thoughts, actions, and energy with your goals. By implementing these practical strategies, you're setting the stage for wealth to flow naturally into your life. If you found these insights helpful, please like the video and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more content designed to empower you and help you achieve the life you deserve. Well, thank you for watching.